Exercise number 1, Dumbbell Preacher Curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit on the preacher bench with your arm supported. Curl the dumbbell up toward your shoulder, squeezing the bicep at the top. Lower slowly for a full stretch and keep movement controlled. Exercise number 2, Overhead Tricep Extension. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold a dumbbell overhead with both hands. Bend your elbows to lower the weight behind your head. Extend back up, keeping elbows close and core tight. Exercise number 3, Tricep Dips. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Place hands on the bench and lower your body by bending the elbows. Push back up using your triceps. Keep shoulders down and movement smooth. Exercise number 4, Cable Hammer Curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold the rope attachment with palms facing each other. Curl the handles up while keeping elbows fixed at your sides. Lower slowly to maintain tension. Exercise number 5, Cable Tricep Pushdown. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Grip the bar and keep elbows tucked in. Push the cable down until arms are straight. Return slowly and focus on squeezing the triceps. Exercise number 6, Barbell Bicep Curl. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold the barbell shoulder width apart. Curl up without swinging your body. Lower under control to feel a deep stretch in the biceps.